My thought on space. Space is in everything and everything is in space. Means just like a sky. Sky is above our the head. The sky starts above our head and its limit is up to the space. Space is beyond atmospheric condition of just like say Earth up to where the atmosphere exists, up to stratosphere and beyond the stratospheres, where the other material possibility of finding is very less. Space starts from that point. And other thing is that the space has what is difference between space and vacuum? Vacuum is nearly a space. Vacuum is there is no material or very less material in any form, gaseous, solid, liquid, vacuum. But vacuum, we mean to say on the surface of Earth. In the space, there is no concept of vacuum because already exists vacuum. And above the vacuum starts space. Above means the limit of pressure in sense of pressure, gaseous pressure. And space has no dimension and space has every dimension. Space has no dimension, it means there is a dimension in space also. Say a solid object has three dimensions and each and every dimension has a space. If any dimension, physical dimension diminishes, the space will also diminishes. Say shadow on a curtain of 3D object. Shadow is 2D. If shadow of 2D object on a curtain falls just like a line, means 1D. If a 1D one dimensional object, say a very narrow diameter wire, shadow on a plane of paper, it is dot. And then what will be the shadow of a dot? Means what? That is the space. Space plus one dimension and space may have up to 12 dimensions. Just my view. I am not a professional astronomer or have no education in astrophysics, but my thinking is like that. Till now there is a 11 dimension and every dimension has been association of a space. Say space is omnipresent. Space is also beyond our Milky Way and other galaxies. The galaxies, Milky Ways, Proxima Centauri, and other nearest galaxy. Beyond that, there is space. Suppose that every mass object in the world diminishes suddenly without any trace, still there will be space. It means space is non-material object. Space has no matter. Still space has matter. Space has no matter. It doesn't mean in space matter will not be created. And it is also equivalent to say that in matter space can be created or not created. I have no idea. Space, just here I mean to say, in astronomical physics, the space word, its meaning, its idea, I want to say. Space may have a baryonic material, non-baryonic material. There is also some matters which have no neutron, no positron, means just like a atomic phenomena without atomic configuration, like say hydrogen, helium. Hydrogen has one neutron, one positron, and one electron outer space around the nucleus. There are some material which have no structure like this. Then how the space converts these material into the atomic material? The astrophysicists believe that after the collision of galaxies, neutron star, say black hole formation, then the atom-like structure are formed from the energy frequencies. They are created, and in packets of energy. Energy is quantized. Association and dissociation of the quantized energy makes simple material, gaseous material, lighter material, just like a hydrogen, H2. Then H2H2 association helium. Then helium plus hydrogen, lithium, and so on. I have no better idea in the chemistry. I am not a professional. Just my views. And like that, space have no limit. Space is curved, is straight, its shape is deformed by material object. Space is, we cannot say, space is like a sphere. Space may be like a sphere also, in a very vast uh, concept, in which the galaxies, Milky Ways, tons of suns, neutron star, black holes exist. The outer space may have a spherical surface. There may be space like a space balls, 1, 2, 3, 4, like this, just like a, say, our star, then another star, then another star, like sun. This type of space 1, space 2, in which other group of galaxies, then this type of phenomena might be found. So this is just my thought. I can refine my ideas if I think more and I read more about the space. And there will be a Hindi version of this, what I said in English, I will say in Hindi also. That can also be. And if anything to be improved, you may comment on the comment box. Thanks.